Alright, today boys and girls we're going to talk about some objects in Xara designing products. These are some basic concepts that beginners might need to understand. There are four basic types of objects, also known as elements in the Xara terminology. The first kind are lines. And it doesn't matter if there are straight lines or curved lines or a combination of both, straight and curved, yeah. Then we have shapes, and there are a variety of different types of shapes, whether those be rectangle shapes, ellipses. These are quick shapes, which can be both either stars or polygons, yeah. Then we have just a generic shape that I built with this shape tool, and then we have another generic shape which I built with this shape builder tool. Okay. Then we have text objects, three different kinds. Basically, the three different ways you can use the text tool. One, you just click the cursor on the page and you can just start typing text. The other is a text box, where you more or less take the text tool, draw a box with it, and anything you try and type beyond the bounds of that text box will not show up. Yeah, that won't actually show up on the page. And then we have a text line, where you take the text tool and draw a line, and that limits the bounds of the column, basically, of text that you're writing with. Right? I can extend the line or shorten it, and it adjusts the width of the column of text there. All right. And the last kind are photo objects. Now you can do different things to these objects, but they still remain objects. For example, if I wanted to do a 3D extrusion of this photo object, yeah. Now it says down here that I have an extrusion selected, yeah, but this is still just an extrusion of this photo object. Okay. The other thing I can do is possibly add a shadow, yeah. And if I add a drop shadow to this, you can see that there's something there. But that isn't just an object too. If I were to take this and say arrange, convert to editable shapes, arrange, ungroup, now that these two things that I have selected become the photo and a shape. If I were to go and select this shape individually, I could move it around and it's just this shape. Yeah? All right. That's pretty much it on the basic concepts. Like you say, you can do different things to these shapes. You can add fills to and outlines to, that kind of thing, but they still are these four basic types of objects: lines, shapes, text, and photos. That's it. Hope you found that useful and interesting, and we'll talk to you again soon.